ngatrai datang ke vaccination kabala baniada yang i nau ni kejang jingpang piong u omicron dan ni piong u delta variant kat bade they stang dekanika ka vaccination kabangila ban yo kejing ada lagi.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Upresjun Tinsong mentakasngi ulaple ya kajing sedang IT ka COVID vaccination drive ya kitu ki bahapedeng khatsan bat khat pras nem karuta Harunja State Dispensary Hashlong. Habakren negilat pathai kubor uba Tinsong ulai thu baka sorkar kalabuk kerpang hakijaka aijing sumar ba IT ka ya kinong shong shnong ki bahapedeng kitay gisnem.
Ulang ki khon hem ki jongi kal a register hala ki jong ki jaka borok kowe ke India bat na kalian ke sarkar India bat kumjuk ni ke state government ni kwa bat pentikna baka vaccination drive kami sedang mentaka sni ngin pendep borok jauh keluar prapola kata kadai ka mangingambo aku iki borsnong ke bortau ke biju trelang bangi na kalian rabasnong ke bomnya tiak ke bomnya sok nang ta yaki nong yalam jong ka jaj benri ujungi ki seng bahalang barok ka bangangamot ban kerpa kolongga to ye trelang bangi ke surga ban penbor ya i way khatsan hadu khat prasnet bakin sngau bahaban ai.
Yes, for this 15 to 18 years age group, where the option for the vaccine is Covaxin, because we have seen that in the state of Meghalaya for the 18 plus, we have been given with the Covishield, and also in the other states of the country also with Covishield. But this Covaxin also is not a new vaccine, and it has also been used in the other states of the country, and also in the northeast it's been used in Assam. Therefore, Covaxin is a very safe vaccine, and it is produced by the Bharat Biotech, and then it is an Indian-made vaccine, and it is very safe. It's the same vaccine like Covishield. There's no difference at all. The same route of administration, and as storage also, it is at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and it is also seen that it is a good efficacy, and protection also is very good. And we have seen that there are no side effects. Of course, there are some side effects like Covishield with mild headache, fever, body ache, and so on. And so far, none of the people vaccinated with Covaxin have got the serious side effects. Therefore, please take this vaccine. It's very safe, and it's up only for 15 to 18 years for the state of Meghalaya, whereas for 18 plus, we still have Covishield. So this is a vaccine which will be given to our age group 15 to 18 years. And so I again urge the parents and also the people who are here, please see that your children 15 to 18 years plus will get this vaccine so that they'll be protected and so that the admission in the schools will be smooth. These viewers, thank you so much.
Ai ka kumunga kate ki sya nomor ba ngi hadong kedong teng kadang bidang sa yalam bakla ki babun ba ki jing pensai ki jing pesutu ki ba lese ki bakla de ka banga karpa ti kalong na kalian government ba kaptam yi ki khatsan hadu khatras net mar ki de ki khun ki ba la alik puli ki de ki khun ki bala ya nang ya start les ki bala alik class 9 class 10 de ni bala dep matric de ngakermen skem ba hakini ki hakani ka stage jong ki ta khatsan hadu khatras net ba ki khun hi kin dia pensai ik me ki pa bat mangangai skem ba maki dalade kin long ready ka banwan ha ka bat ai ka injection me ka vaccination.